it's your girl Chris Choreo here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. That is the Caribbean's #1 dance tutorial channel. So in this video, we're going to be doing a bumper workout because we want a bigger bumper for the summertime, and we're not gonna wait. We're gonna start from right now. So what will you need? A resistance band. Today I'm using a medium resistance band, but you can use a light, extra light. You can use the medium if you want, or a heavy. Why do I keep calling the heavy large? It's like I'm going from small, medium. It's not dress, it's not clothes. So you can either use the light, the extra light, the medium, the extra heavy, or the heavy. Whichever one, you can do 10 without feeling like, geez, oh my God, I'm dying. And you're maintaining proper form. So how you know? By what I just said, if you're able to manage something. If you feel like you're only able to, with, for example, the medium, do like 5, that's way too heavy, sweetie. You need to go lighter, all right? So make sure you have some water. Room temperature is best, and let me tell you why. When you're exercising, you don't want to be redistributing the energy elsewhere. You want to have all the energy that you can get. And so what the body will do if it gets icy cold water is that it will try to warm that water to the temperature of your internal body. And so in order to avoid giving the body extra work, room temperature water is best. So I also have a towel. So we are going to be doing 4 exercises. One of them is a hip thrust. The hip thrust is going to be lying down on our backs. And if your skin is sensitive like mine, you don't want any gunk nastiness getting up into your pores. No matter how you clean your place summertime, the dirt always gets in. So I'm going to be using my nice fresh clean ASS towel on my back when I'm going to be doing the hip thrust. So get your stuff and let's get started. All right guys, so the first bumper workout we're going to be doing is a squat. And I'm going to be using my resistance band. Like I said before, it's a medium band, right? So I'm putting it to the level of just above my knees. And what I'm going to be doing with the band is constantly forcing it outward. So I'm getting that external rotation of my hips, not this, but toes are pointing out slightly, and you're going to be sitting back like you're sitting on a chair. So here goes, and we're doing 10. 3, 2, 1. 1. Squeeze. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. All right. At this point in time, we're just going to keep pushing the knees outwards. We're just going to do a whine. This is a dance tutorial channel. We've got to incorporate that whine. Don't give me that face. Keep the knees bent. And 8 all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax it. We're going to move into it again. Same thing. Toes turned out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1. Squeeze it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go for the whine. 8 to both sides. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Third set of squats. Here we go. We can do this. 3, 2, 1. 8. 1. What am I counting? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep those toes out, keep those knees pressing outwards. 10. And 1 for good luck. Whining. 3, 2, 1. Whine it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. Final set. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Booties out. 1 and up. 2 and up. 3 and up. Hey. 4 and up. 5 and up. 6 and up, 7 and up, 8, 9 and 10. Squeeze it in, wind it out. 3, 2, 1, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other way, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So for the next bumper exercise, we're going to be doing a lunge with a hip kickback. And here's how you do that. So you want to ensure that the band in between your legs is going to be taut, right? You don't want it to be too loose because then you don't have much challenge. You get what I'm saying? So you want to make sure it's taut. This is where the level of band really comes in. So if, for example, you're using a very, very heavy and you know you could only manage like 5, this is going to be even harder, right? So make sure you choose the band according to what you can manage. Yes, yeah. There we go. So 3, make sure. And in terms of my feet, it's not one in front of the other. That would be crazy, absolutely crazy. So put one foot out and then you can lift that one back. So we have some nice balance going. Yes, yes. So here we go. 1, in, 2, squeeze and hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me a wind here. Slow wind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze and hold. 1, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am so focused. 10. And here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, I think I was enjoying that one a little bit too much. So let's move on. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze and hold. 1 and down. 2, 3. Pull it away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I felt that one. Like I said, I am working out with you, babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Whew. Squeeze and hold at the top. Here we go. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so moving on to the next step, the next in our booty workout. The next booty workout is going to be a crab walk. So again, just like we did with our squats, we're going to lift that band all the way up above the knees, just like so. Yeah. And what we're going to be doing, 2 steps, 2 steps. So the 2 steps look like this: open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. And we're going to be doing 4 of those. So 4 going this way, 4 going that way, until we're done. So here we go. Ready? 3, 2, and you can put the hands here, you can put them here. what I want you to focus on is keeping the chest upright. Don't drop the chest like this, especially when you start to get tired, baby. Okay? We can do this. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. Keep it low. 2, 2. Again. 1, 2. Again. Here. That's 2. Side. Side. That's 3. Side. Side. That's 4. All right. We're going to do the same thing again. This time I'm going to turn my back to you. So here we go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1. Here. 2. Here. Again. 1, 2. Here. 2 more. 1 and 2. 1 more. 1 and 2. All right. Excellent work. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is the hip thrust. And this is where we're going to be using our towels to get down on the floor. So get them and let's get going. All right, so the last exercise is going to be the hip thrust. Now, there are so many persons who have sworn by the hip thrust, myself included. If you want to get a bubble butt, you want to get a nice sexy big bumper, do a hip thrust, okay? And it's also great for men who are looking to increase their thrust, yeah? Self-explanatory, I should not go into that. So here we go. We're going to keep the legs open. We're going to dig the heels into the ground. The toes are facing not all the way out, but slightly outwards. So here we go. You can place the hands right by your side. Relax the head. 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze and hold. 1 and down. And before we continue, the feet only need to be about shoulder width apart. So just now my feet were like all the way out here. So they can just, the heels can be like shoulder width apart. Yes, yes? So here we go. 3, 2, 1. We go up and down. Dig those heels into the floor. The toes can be slightly raised up as well. Yeah? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. We have 3 more sets to go. Yes, yes? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1 and down. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Chris Choreo, behave yourself. What the hell? I'm sorry, guys. So we have 2 more sets to go. 3. All right. So I'm gonna go straight into them. If you need to take a break, take a break. I'm not gonna take a break. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1 and down again. 2, 3. Make sure you're squeezing at the top. 4, 5, 6. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. 8, 9, and 10. Girl, my booty feeling good. I feel like my booty is as big as Serena Williams is right now. That's how much I feel like it's working. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh God. Okay. So, final thing we're going to be doing, we're doing some stretches, yeah? Because we did so much work in just a few minutes. Yes, yes. So you're just going to put the band around your foot. This actually works better with a firmer band. So you have like a heavy band, you can use it for this purpose because it's not going to give as much. It will be a little bit more taut and you can get the stretch that you need. Okay, so Go ahead and stretch. We're holding it for 20 seconds this side, 20 seconds the opposite side. Here we go. Pull it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switcheroo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, relax. From here, we're just gonna cross into a figure 4. You can put the band down for now. And I'm just gonna loop my hands under, pull my legs up, and we're holding for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Put the leg down, reaching. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We go for a lunge stretch. So all you're going to do, put one leg back and just allow the knee to fall to the floor. If you can't get that knee to the floor, you can stay right up here. So here we go, holding. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and continue breathing deeply throughout the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Press the heel back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Opposite side. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From here, you're just going to cross one leg over and lean away from the hip. So if you want to hold on to a wall, you can do that. Cross the leg and just stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like you're on the beach. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that's 19 and 20. Opposite side. Stretching it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in with me. We're finished. Breathe in and exhale. Again, breathe in and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me for this BUMPA Sexy Big BUMPA workout. If this was fantastic for you, then leave a comment below. Let me know how well it was. Like, share, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you want a little bit more, you can always start the video from the top or check out some of my other sexy workouts for that hot gal body. Right? You want some more? Here, I'm linking it right here. So big up yourselves. I'll see you next week for another in 876 Tutorial Tuesdays, the biggest, baddest, #1 YouTube channel on the internet for the Caribbean.